I'm Ali Erbektas. I'm a project manager and engineering manager with Kleinfelder. Kleinfelder is a very versatile engineering consulting company, and we provide quality assurance services to our clients, mostly public clients. And San Diego Community College District is one of them. We provide services for public safety. We make sure our buildings, our roads are constructed in compliance with relevant codes and specifications. We try to ensure the materials we use in construction comply with all necessary requirements for public safety. All of our purpose is everything has to do with public safety. We make sure our students are safe, our people are safe, our San Diegans are safe within the buildings, so they can trust us, they can trust the DSA, they can trust SDCCD, and they can go enjoy, take their lessons safely without any worries, so we got them covered.
We're ensuring that all standards and specifications are met. You know, whether it's soil, concrete, masonry, rebar, there's going to be specifications, and whether it's us in the lab testing material or our inspectors out in the field, they're making sure everything's followed to a T.
Right now we have two very valuable large projects going on for SDCCD, for Educational Cultural Complex. One is for theater renovation, and we provide special inspection and material testing services. And on the other hand, we have the MTCAP, which is Material Testing and Condition Assessment Program for the seismic upgrade of the Educational Cultural Complex.
We extracted a bunch of masonry prisms from different wall panels, and we ended up doing compression testing. You can see kind of the aftermath. We would test them and then we would report back. And basically the point of the MTCAP was to verify enough data where they can accurately say, like, the plans reflect what was built. Now we can base our upgrade design reliably off of the plans.
For the site improvement part, we will build some smaller scale roads, and on those roads we will have utilized asphalt as the main material. We will be performing some of the tests Ismail just showed us to basically make sure the asphalt we are using on the job reflects what was submitted by the manufacturer.
This we received it yesterday from your project.
The markings will tell you,
yeah,
you know, the strength of the steel. There's usually a marking that's like the manufacturer, whether it's weldable or not. So that way you kind of have an easy way to identify, you know, the reinforcement. So based on the grade of the rebar, you know, the standards have like a yield point and an ultimate failure point. And so we test it and compare it to those values. And there's also going to be a limit on the maximum, you know, percent elongation before it snaps. We'll do our tests and then we compare. And like I said, so far we haven't failed anything for your guys' ECC project. So all the material has been real good.
Very important part of the SDCCD project, especially the pilasters and the head beam over the new main lobby opening, is made out of shotcrete. Instead of pouring it into forms, you shot it directly into a wall. For these samples taken out of test panels, we will break them using this machine and test their compressive strength. It's, I think, 4,000 psi is the requirement
for the shotcrete.
But our experience tells us usually, so we get 5,000 psi. So we appreciate the district. It's been a challenge, but a very rewarding challenge.